Literary and Cultural Forum Tripura, in collaboration with Patriotic Writers Forum PAWF Manipur, organized national seminar on Manipuri language, literature and culture today at Sahitya Academy Hall, located in Agartala's Nazarul Kalakshetra complex. President of PAWF Manipur N. Khambaluang, Sahitya Academy awardee Sorokhaibam Gambhini, and member of Manipuri Language Advisory Board at Sahitya Academy New Delhi, Khoisnam Birola, attended the seminar where renowned Tripura writer and scholar Wangkhim Biramangal served as the moderator. Sorokhaibam Gambhini expressed concern over the perceived decline in moral values among Meitei community. She stressed the importance of incorporating a moral science into the curriculum for younger children, warning that without a solid moral foundation, the fabric of culture and tradition could unravel. Gambhini emphasized that instilling strong moral values is essential for the preservation and integrity of society.